welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make pants and a shirt in Roblox. And also maybe I'll do pants and shirt connected together. We'll see. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the two links from the description. One of them will be the shirt and the other one will be the pants. The shirt one will say right arm, left arm on the bottom. The other one will say right leg, left leg on the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this bottom part that's moving right now. And then scroll until you see draw. Press draw. You can select your color. I think I'm going to stick with a a brownish color. Does that look good? I think that's a really cute color. And then you're gonna go to this button that I'm clicking, the blue thing. If you look down, the blue thing that's turning blue and then black. And then you're gonna end up on this page and you're gonna go to three lines, and then you're gonna press it and then hold it and then move it down. Then you're gonna get out of there by clicking the thing. So then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go to this thing, there's a circle on it, press it. Then you're going to press the check mark. Then you're just going to do this. I think I'm going to make a little crop top. Actually, I don't know about this color. It just doesn't look me. It doesn't look that good. So I think I'm going to do a plain white, you know. Okay, that's not good. As you can see, that is what it looks like. These are the arms. So obviously I'm gonna make my arms a thing. You can also do this with Ibis Paint X. This is one of my the other thing I'm really good at using. And I think you can use it pretty well. You might be really good at it because I'm good at... I just realized something. I need to redo like those. I'm going to pretty much only not want that to covered. So you're gonna do it like this is what I want. Lou? Okay, I wanted to go get my cat. You know what? That'll be in a different video or a different time. I'll do that. So then it should, by the way, you're gonna press apply at the top of the screen. This is what mine looks like so far. Then you're going to press next, skip, and save. Then you are going to move on to the Roblox studio. Not Roblox studio, because that's not even a thing, is it? So that's way is not going to work for me, as you can see. I did make some other shirts, pants. The pink stars, the cherry, and the pink on navy are the best ones out of all of them. Oh my god. So you're going to go to Safari. You're going to go to Roblox. And then you're going to go to the search bar. Once you log into your account and everything, search up anything like random. And then go to in library. This is how to upload them. So I'm doing group creations, but you can do my creations. Then go to pants, since this one is pants, right? No, wait, this one's shirts. Accidentally pressed sponsored games. That was an accident. Choose file, photo library. I'm going to blur out my photos, by the way. This is it. If you do a white, you might not be able to see it. Plain white crop. You can also add emojis. These are the emojis I'm probably going to use on pretty much almost all of them. the cherry and the pink crop top ones are just no. As you can see, it says successfully created. As you can see, we can't really see it right now. It's gonna load, but then you're gonna go to sales, and then you're gonna put the item for sale. I think I'm just gonna have it for 5 Robux. So you can buy it at my group, link in the description as well. So what you're gonna do for the pants is you're gonna go ahead and press that plus again. Go get this pants template, also link in the description. If didn't I say that already? That's fine. This one is actually gonna be like a cloud design for the pants. So you're gonna do whatever you did last time. This one might be a little tiny bit different. So you're gonna just keep doing that stuff. This, and then you're gonna find the picture you want to do. Mine is cloudus. That was not. Sorry, I have to delete all of those. There's a undo button all the way at the top of that arrow. That looks good. Add this, and then beautiful. So this is what it looks like now. Ooh, I don't want the, oh my god, I have to go back to draw. You are going to press this check mark, then you're gonna do it. You can see this is pretty much what I want gone. Then I'm gonna go to this rainbow thing, put the color all the way to the top because I want white socks. You're gonna press this. You're gonna make sure this is not slightly red like how mine was. And we are going to need to make a couple adjustments to what I just did. And that's how you do it. Hey, Lily. Lily is my scaredy cat. Next, skip, save. I wonder if this is loaded yet. Okay, no. That's okay. We still have... Only the pants I make are usually the best out of all of them. And here it is. Super beautiful, by the way. You have to use the templates I put in the description or else it won't work. Beautiful cloud. This, we don't want that. I would go like here, just so you don't see if it worked. And pants successfully created. As you can see, they are right here. They will load. I will show you what they look like on my avatar once they load. And yeah, that's pretty much really simple. By the way, if you go to 𝑝sart thing and then you have your template and then you press sticker, then you add like cool stickers and stuff, you will not be able to upload it. It will not work. It will say it failed and stuff. So I suggest you don't use that. Just look for random like cool template stuff with like the background. How I usually get butterflies on my stuff is going and searching up butterfly transparent background, and then I'll click on it, and if they have like the checker background, that is transparent, by the way. And yeah, bye guys. Hope you like this video so much. Like button, subscribe down below. I love you guys. Just remember that. And you are not hated or anything just like that. I was just like telling all my friends if I'm ugly or hated, just for like, because I was bored. Just don't do that. That's not a good thing to do. And yeah, bye.